Welcome to watch the introduction video of Swan Love Facial Brush FC03. There are totally 3 gears for choose. In order to show the effect directly, now test it on hand. Turn on the machine with 1 tap. Turn on the first gear. Moderate rotation speed, soft brush for more comfortable use. Press again to turn on second gear. The brush fits the skin, more comfortable to use. Press again to turn on third gear. Press again to turn off. Replace the brush head demonstration. There are 2 brush heads. Take off the brush cover. Attach the brush head to the body and install it. The start switch button is at the bottom of the fuselage. Charging demonstration. Take off the protector. Charging demonstration. Cleaning demonstration. Take out the brush head and clean it. After use, clean the brush head with water and install it after drying. Thank you for watching. For more details, please visit our homepage, www.newdermobeauty.com.